fine, thank you.
So what is it?
It's just all so difficult and complicated, and I haven't got a lot of time. And when you've got the children sitting around the table, you know, and every mouthful is forced, it's like, well, we just have beans on toast then.
Nice collection of pans.
I like those, and I bought those because they were silver, and everything's silver and chrome.
Yeah, no, that's bought them, but what do you use them for?
No, I don't really.
And what's it like for Sunday lunch?
We never have one.
You never have a Sunday lunch? So you eat out for Sunday lunch?
So, eating out every Sunday lunch must be expensive.
It is, yeah. It is. It's ridiculous, really. We can't really carry on.
So that's what we've got to get Mum to do, really. Just cook a perfect Sunday dinner, right?
Roast leg of lamb.
Lovely, love lamb.
Gratin dauphinoise. What does that mean to you, gratin dauphinoise?
Something potato-ish.
That's right, potatoes. You know what that is, don't you?
It's not mint. That's rosemary.
That's rosemary, there you go. OK, I want you to cut some sprigs like this. And then what we're going to do now is just make some holes. Take the rosemary and just push it through.
Shove it in.
So we've got rosemary garlic in there. OK, good. Salt, pepper. Drizzle it with olive oil over the top. That's it, in you go. Good.
OK.
If you just stuck it in the tray, in the oven, you're just going to create something dry. We've got to get some colour in there. It's called sealing it in. This is quite basic.
Right. So what you mean is you want it to go brown?
Nice and brown.
Right, thank you, yes.
Going to put that in there. Nice sharp knife, that's what we need.
Yeah.
When was the last time you sharpened them?
I've never sharpened them.
You've never sharpened your knife?
No. But they're all right for birthday cake. They do the job for that.
But I don't know which side to cut. Do I turn it up that way and slice, or do I slice it that way or that way?
Back.
OK, so stand here. Let me just show you. Oh, God. So go from left, from there, from my thumb here, right to the top, and then come underneath. And all you do now is put an edge back on the knife. Yeah. Yeah, slowly, slowly. That's it. The secret is, of course, it all to come out at the same time. And what I'm trying to do is just get everything arriving together. OK. And look, brand new pan, never been used before. Half cream and half milk. That's come up to the boil.
Right.
I want you to get a spoon and just taste that.
Very nice.
Yeah. OK,
Right.
sprinkled cheese at the bottom.
Right, OK.
And then push the potatoes down.
Right.
Pour in there, just to start seeing it underneath the potatoes. Right, that's good. Now, the rest with the cheese on top. And try and spread it evenly, because what we want to do is get that really nice crust on top. And in we go. Don't drop it now.
Oh.
Careful, 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 careful.
That's not supposed to happen.
No, that's not, no, no.
A bit clumsy, sorry.
Dear, oh dear, oh dear. OK.
Potato.
The potatoes. The most important thing about these is just having the fork go through. And if it goes through with ease, what does that tell you?
They're done. The house smells fantastic. It does. It never smells like this.
OK, in with the broccoli.
Right.
Are we hungry? Yeah. Oh, good.
It smells lovely.
I mean, that's just the perfect mean to veg.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at that.
Fab. Do you like it, guys?
Yeah.
I'm doing finished.
Tasty?
Yeah.
Beautiful.
See you filling out already, mate.
Really nice.
It's huge, isn't it?
Buy a new wardrobe, yeah?
Do you feel better now?
Definitely, I've got more confidence to go on to do that again.
Excellent. What about a round of applause for Mummy? Yeah, thank you, Mummy. Thank you, Mummy. And bye.
Cheerio.
And don't give up.
I won't.
Keep that confidence high.